Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Black & Decker Small Portable Washer and the Comfy Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will delve into three key areas: capacity, weight, and size, and wash cycles. The Black & Decker model boasts a larger capacity of 1.7 cu Fort, making it suitable for bigger loads, while the Comfy model, with its compact 0.9 cu Fort design, is perfect for smaller spaces. Additionally, we'll discuss the differences in weight and portability, as well as the variety of wash cycles each machine offers. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of which washing machine is the right fit for your household. When it comes to washing capacity, the Black & Decker Small Portable Washer offers a significant advantage with its 1.7 cu Fort capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads of laundry at once. In contrast, the Comfy Portable Washing Machine has a smaller capacity of 0.9 cu Fort, which may require more frequent washing sessions for larger households. This difference in capacity can greatly affect your laundry routine, especially if you have a lot of clothes to wash regularly. In terms of weight and size, the Black & Decker model weighs 70.5 pounds, making it heavier and bulkier compared to the Comfy model, which weighs only 44.1 pounds. This makes the Comfy Portable Washing Machine much easier to move around, especially with its built-in rollers. If space is a concern, the compact design of the Comfy model allows it to fit into tighter areas, making it a great choice for apartments or smaller homes. Lastly, let's look at the wash cycles offered by each machine. The Black & Decker Small Portable Washer provides 6 different wash cycles, giving you more options to customize your washing experience. On the other hand, the Comfy Portable Washing Machine offers 5 wash cycles, which, while still versatile, may not cater to all specific washing needs as comprehensively as the Black & Decker model. This variety can be crucial for users who require specific settings for different fabric types. In conclusion, both the Black & Decker Small Portable Washer and the Comfy Portable Washing Machine have their unique strengths. The Black & Decker model excels in capacity and wash options, while the Comfy model stands out for its compact design and portability. Depending on your specific needs, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.